In this video, we are going to see how we can transfer this math file into an Excel file. So the first thing is to use the load function in order to see the variable within it. So I have my data dot math. So if I load it in the workspace, I can see that I have this variable within the math file. So if I double click on it, I can see that it has two rows. The first row is the timestamp of the signal, while the second row is the amplitude. So all I need to do now is to use the CSV write function, and the first argument is the name of the Excel file I want to create. So let me just call it my file. So you have to write the extension. So I just write the CSV, and the second argument is the variable within the math file. So I just write time. So after pressing enter, you can see that the myfile.csv is created within the current folder. So if I just right click and open outside MATLAB, so you can see that the Excel file contains the same data as the variable we imported. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.